I'm not sure if it's an Evercade Versus or an Evercade VS. In the listing it said that it comes on, but that it freezes. Okay, well let's hook it up to a monitor. There we go, blaze. And it is drawing 0.6 amps. But yeah, it's not doing anything. Not another accurate eBay description. What do you reckon, Dave? Is it going to be interesting? Charming. Let's get the thermal cam ready. Something is getting hot straight away. A little chip there. There's a coil next to it. It's got continuity through it. Why is it getting so hot? Well, you know what? Let's take it off. Yeah, that looks like it's got a big burn mark in it to me. Right, that chip is getting warm, but the coil is not. Let's hook up to the TV. Oh my good God. Is that it?